Sorry, hi. How are you? How are you today? How are you? I'm going to come. I'm trying to go and see Maclachlan, own castle, but I'm going up here to see the buried site in the owner of Maclachlan castle in the old days. This is where the old buried site of the Maclachlan. As you see, the ground is frozen. Just have a look quickly. Hope you don't mind, everyone. You don't mind, sir? Look. That's all very side. I go ahead and walk around. It's really old. There it is. Let's see the name. Thank you. The castle is over there. It's very old buried site here. We are leaving now to have a short walk to the old castle. Now we're here. It's beautiful surrounding here. I would love to come here in the summer, and I heard it's picnic and walking about in the Lachlan Bay around here. I imagine it will be beautiful here. ถ้ามาหน้าซัมเมอร์คงจะสวยมากค่ะเพราะดูบรรยากาศรอบๆแล้วสวยค่ะ and I'm sure you can take your bike here and looking the view here over the Lachlan Bay, but it's frozen just now. The castle is right in front of on the right here. You see that's there. On that side here is a new Castle Lachlan, but now made to the hotel. I love it here. I would love to come here in the summer. Definitely recommended coming here in the summer. It'd be great. There, the new Castle Lachlan there. See the white dot there, the white building there. นั่นแหละค่ะ Castle Lachlan อันใหม่ค่ะอันนี้อันเก่าค่ะที่เราจะไปดูนี่เป็นของเก่าค่ะ See the beautiful Castle Lachlan there. There you have my friend. Look the distance, but everything here is frozen. It's so cold here. I would like to sit here and watching the world go round in the summer. But I was here in the winter, and the road get here is very difficult. It's full of snow, covered in snow. Lovely place. I'm going to walk until I get there and walk toward this. There's a path to the old castle. It show you there. The snow start melting a bit. Let's go. Small park. เดินไปเรื่อยๆค่ะจนมาถึงเลี้ยวซ้ายตรงนี้ you can go straight over there to go for walk, but we go in here to see the castle. We see no camping there. ไม่แคมป์ค่ะ no camping overnight here. You can picnic here, I'm sure. Beautiful sunset coming. It took us so long to get here because the snow had to be dry carefully and look like the old part, the old way to get to the castle here. ทางเก่าทางเข้าเก่าๆค่ะจะเดินตรงไปเลยละสมัยก่อนนะ Look like it's the old way to get to the castle in the old day. Beautiful surrounding. There we go here, my friend. มาถึงเลยค่ะไปดูกันค่ะ Go and see, my friend. Go have a look. Here you are. Wow, it start to get dark already. มืดเร็วค่ะ try to walk a bit faster พยายามจะเดินเร็วๆค่ะตะวันตกดินอีกแล้วเร็ว Hi sorry ค่ะ Hi Skuna here we got lost for tour we got here to the castle and it's dark now it's about I say about 4 o'clock thank you very much for watching we go and see it now before it get too dark thank you Castle Lachlan was built around 15th century but Old Clan Maclachlan were settled here in 1314 the ghost horse ผีม้า Argyll and Maclachlan the 17th clan thief died at Culloden in 1746 it said that his horse returned home by swimming over to the loch to lead the castle those left behind in the strait when he went to the wall knew he had fallen and that dark day were ahead the horse would not be removed from the castle until its own death now they say that it can sometimes be heard in the vault and seen in the moonlight remind me of Frozen 2 you know this horse this is the Brahmi part of British folklore they were usually friendly elf-like creature he got some magical he at the time the clan of the thief of the night who married to Cambo and he disapprove so he make the food all disappear but the end he make the food to come back again well this is what castle look like here Maclachlan portrait strong and faithful you are in an open courtyard of Old Castle Lachlan are surrounded by the substantial curtain wall the castle was home to the thief of Maclachlan clan until the 17th thief at the of the Culloden. This building dated from the 1400s, although it had been castle here since at least 1314. The castle design is almost unique in Scotland. It had 2 grand rooms, the solar and the great hall. In the house at the left, 3 rooms are carved to the stone feature doorway, windows, and fireplace, and the wall would have been plastered and hung with a tapestry. Please check it out more description. Here is some more information. That's what castle look like. Stone castle. Light in the castle, at the end of the courtyard under the arch is a freshwater well. There were 2 spiral staircases, although it had been blocked off. You can't see the opening. One is to the right of the well, and other is to the left, just inside the castle entrance. The Royal Naval ships, an enduring story, but the one with evidence had been the Royal Navy warships. An enduring story was bombed from the loch by the government's warships in the wake of the rebel defeat at the Culloden. They might be explained why the war, the ruined and condition of the castle. ก็บอกว่าปราสาทที่ได้พังอย่างนี้เพราะว่าในสมัยก่อนมีการรบวอเกี่ยวกับ Culloden War และมีเรือใหญ่นี่มายิงแคนนอนใส่ปราสาทถึงได้พังขนาดนี้เรือนี่ค่ะ Judging by the figure it wouldn't have been difficult the castle just off the water like that and the ship just next to it can just fly right into it thank you for listening everyone really appreciate that what you see here is like a castle courtyard with 2 buildings in between the hole there I wish I could see through that door but we are finished here because it's getting dark nowhere else to go wow it's beautiful sunset must be very beautiful at night too looking the shadow at the tree there in the moonlight we are going to fly down to see what it's like it could be quite dark my friend here we are บินโดนแล้วค่ะแต่ยังมืดอยู่ quite get dark quite quickly here we are at the top of the roof of the castle now you can still see a wee bit see a bit closer here มืดค่ะมืดมองไม่ค่อยเห็น it's quite dark everyone try to light up but not working it's quite dark but still see a bit here at the top swing to in the back I wish to come here during the day again it's not dark as this but you can see a good bit of the roof and here the view in the back and swing back to the front a wee bit still reflecting still nice moonlight now now to the front where I walk in castle again on the left swing back to the front we go to land soon landing now thank you very much for watching everyone I hope you guys having an awesome day stay safe I love you take care ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามาให้กำลังใจรักและคิดถึงทุกคนนะคะสวัสดีค่ะ bye everyone thank you for watching